mbụ nwada Amarachi abịakwala m ọzọ. N'ụbọchị taa, anyị ga-ekwu maka ekele na ụfọdụ nsọpụrụ ndị Igbo. That is greetings and manners in Igbo language. Now, when you want to say hello or hi, you say ndewo, ndewo. Or you want to say welcome, you say no, no. When you want to say how are you say kedu ki mere, kedu ki mere. Or you simply say kedu, kedu. You reply I am fine, which means ademoma, ademoma. Or I am not fine, which means adegimoma, adegimoma. When you want to say please, you say biko, biko. Or wait, you say chere, chere. You can put it together and say biko chere, which means please wait. When you want to say thank you, you either say dalu, dalu, or imela, imela. When you want to say sorry, ndo. When you want to say yes, it's either you say o, or ise. When you want to say no, you say mba, mba. Now, when you want to say good morning, you can say ibolachi, ibolachi, isalachi, itetela, ututu oma. These are different ways to say good morning. When you want to say good afternoon, it means ehihie oma, ehihie oma. Good evening, you say mgbede oma, mgbede oma. When you want to say good night, kachifo, kachifo. Goodbye, you say kemesia or kodi. Safe journey, you say ijeoma, ijeoma. For more interesting and educating video, please subscribe, like, and share. Kodi no. Bye.